Welcome to the Women's Health Channel. I'm NK.
I'm Luna, and I enjoy my daily routine, but lately, I've been feeling slightly off. I've been experiencing irregular periods and some unusual pain, so I decided it was time to see a doctor. Luna, these symptoms could be related to your ovarian health. Let's run some tests to understand better, my doctor says. After reading the test results, my doctor explained, "You have ovarian cysts, Luna, which are quite common. They can sometimes cause the symptoms you're experiencing." "Doctor, could you please explain in more detail?" I asked. "Of course. Ovarian cysts are tiny, fluid-filled sacs that can form on or inside the ovaries," the doctor explains. "These cysts often form during the monthly cycle when the ovary is getting ready to release an egg. Sometimes the sac that holds the egg doesn't open up to release it, or it closes up after releasing the egg and fills with fluid instead, which leads to an ovarian cyst. Most of the time, these cysts are not dangerous and go away on their own. But sometimes they can cause pain or other problems, and a doctor might need to check them out like we did today." I feel a mix of relief and concern. Determined to learn more, I dove into researching ovarian health. I discovered the importance of regular checkups and understanding the signs my body gives. I decided to make some lifestyle changes by adopting a healthier diet, regularly exercising, and practicing stress management techniques. While having coffee with my friend, I was surprised to hear her say, "Don't worry, Luna. I had similar issues last year. Staying informed and proactive makes a big difference." "Really? How did you know you had an ovarian cyst? And how did you prevent them from happening again?" I asked. "Unfortunately, my doctor said there's no sure way to prevent ovarian cysts from forming, but my regular checkups involving ultrasound imaging did help to catch them early when they happen." I realized that I was not alone. Many women face ovarian health challenges, and sharing experiences can be empowering. During my follow-up, I was happy to hear my doctor say, "Your latest tests look great, Luna. Your lifestyle changes are paying off." I've maintained my health with regular checkups and my doctor's help. I feel more confident and knowledgeable about my body. Through my journey, I've learned that caring for my ovarian health is vital. Now, I'm equipped with the knowledge to take charge of my well-being. My story reminds us that understanding and prioritizing our health can lead to a healthier and happier life. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more health content.